Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Here's my helpers, Mario and Luigi. And today I'd like to introduce a ranking of best 5 Japanese curry rice that people love here in Japan. Curry became popular in Japan during the Meiji period, and recipes for it can be found in cookbooks all the time. Carrots, potatoes, and onions are the major ingredients in Japanese curry. In addition, there are standard ingredients that vary by region. And also, meat is an essential ingredient in curry. What do you think the most popular Japanese curry among Japanese people? Okay, so here's the ranking. Number 5, the seafood curry. The great thing about seafood curry is that when you want something different from the usual, you can easily make with using the seafood mix that you can buy at the supermarket. The spicy flavor of the curry roux and the umami flavors from the seafoods like octopus, squid, and scallops are harmonized to create a mild taste. Number 4 is a soup curry. It's a Japanese curry that originated in Hokkaido. It is said to have originated from soupy curries from Indonesia and Thailand. It is a refreshing curry flavored soups with vegetables and seafood that is famous in Hokkaido. Have you tried it? Actually, I have a recipe video in my channel, so if you're interested in, please take a look. Number 3 is a Katsu curry with a pork cutlet on top of the curry roux. Katsu curry is a curry dish that will fill you up in a single dish. And I also have a katsu curry recipe in my channel, so please take a look and try it out. Number 2 is a pork curry. Okay, so number 1, the beef curry. In Japan, domestic beef is a little bit pricey, so people may choose the beef curry when they want to splurge. Such is my choice of beef when I make curry at home. If you are like me and would like to try to make Japanese curry at home, please check my recipe video. Okay, so now let's check the Japanese beef curry. Itadakimasu. Of course, I'll eat the beef first. So melty. The flavor from the Japanese beef and spices go well with each other. I can taste a little bit sweetness from the onion. ごちそうさまでした。Did you find Japanese curry rice that you'll be interested in the recipes for? If yes, please comment in the box down below. Okay, so special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you, Mario-chan. Thank you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time. Bye bye.